Merk, the parts clerk.
Actually, I'm the parts manager.
Hi everybody, Bill Merk, the parts clerk. We're in the HQ of my secret lab, which is the parts manager's office at Toyota of Tri-Cities. But the weather outside's delightful, it's my song, and I thought I would talk to you a little bit about what can happen to your car in cold and hot weather. Water pumps, cooling systems. Toyota uses a special blend of antifreeze slash coolant to protect your car's engine. And when cars drive over time, things wear and they can develop leaks. Now in the wintertime you really see it because it comes out as steam, or in the summer it'll come out as crazy steam. But I've got a little smattering here of a water pump that shows we use pink coolant. It's got a special dye in it. And when it starts to leak at the seal inside the water pump shaft, it'll leave a trail. Now, new ones are nice and clean and shiny, but if you see a puddle on the ground underneath the car, that's cause for concern. Water pumps on every manufacturer will weep. They're meant to leak a little bit with the pressure going up and pressure coming down. But when it starts to leak and you see something on the ground, that's your indicator. Water pumps are just one wear item on a car, but they're the key element of your cooling system. They keep water flowing from the engine where it's hot into the radiator to cool it down and keep transferring that heat so your car runs nice and smooth at the correct temperature. So if you see any leaks on the ground or a little bit of steam, come right in. Toyota of Tri-Cities is ready to take care of your Toyota and keep it running forever and ever and ever.